In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can get access to the DHS data and download it in the red format that is usable by the Shiny app. So if we head to the DHS official website and click data, we'll get to this page. And if you're a new user, you can register for dataset access by creating an account. And after fill out this form, we will have an account. After we have get an account, we can go back to the data page and click login. And there's an additional step. To get access to the data for the survey, we need to create a new project. By filling out this information, you will be prompted to another window of selecting the specific datasets that you want or specific surveys. And be sure to click this Show GPS Datasets option so that you will be able to download or request access for the GPS coordinates data, which are essential for subnational estimates. And you might also click here if your indicator is about HIV. The approval might take a few business days, but this process should be rather quick. Once your project is approved, you will be able to download data and conduct analysis. Now I'm going to show you with an example of how to prepare those data. So say we want to do contraceptive usage in Rwanda using the most recent 2019 DHS. We just go to the Shiny app and specify the indicator we are interested in. And then in the data upload section, we will have specific instructions on downloading the data. So DHS data are prepared in different rate code, primarily representing subpopulations. For example, the IR rate code is used for individual level rate code, that is women of age 15 to 49. And we need that data for this contraceptive usage indicator. By clicking here, you will see a detailed instruction about which dataset it's needed for the analysis. And since our project is already approved, you can just log in and select the one that's here and select the country, that is Rwanda. And we can click the survey datasets. And in the Shiny app, we are instructed to download these two specific datasets, and we can find those two and make sure to have the correct format, the DT format for the rate code data, and this format for the geographical data. And we can just find the corresponding one in here. Yeah, and just click proceed for download. This might take just a few seconds, and then we click here. Then the data will be downloaded to our computer. And when we go back, we can upload that single zipped file without any further preparations or processing. But know that if your browser is Safari, you might need to re-zip them back, since that browser will automatically unzip the files on download. We just click this button and then upload the dataset that we have just downloaded. Click submit. Then the Shiny app will be processing those data internally in the correct format that is usable for analysis. This might take a bit of time because the data are huge, and this loading bar shows the progress of the internal processing. So as we can see that both the rate code data and the GPS coordinates data are successfully uploaded and processed. We are ready for analysis. But before that, we can check out some visualizations about the sparsity of the data. For example, you can see the number of clusters within each admin regions. So if we go to a very fine spatial scale, like admin 3, which are more than 100 in Rwanda, we can see that a lot of regions that just do not data have at all, so that we need to use some model-based inference technique to borrow information from neighboring regions. And we should be alerted that if the data are too sparse, the results might be unreliable since the information are just too sparse.